If you're over 60, your brain and eyes may be quietly starving at night without you even realizing it. Every evening while you sleep, your body has a natural repair system designed to restore damaged neurons, refresh visual cells, and protect the delicate wiring of your nervous system. But for most seniors, this system is operating far below its potential. Poor diet choices, inflammation, and lack of specific nutrients can quietly switch off these vital nighttime repair processes, leaving memory, focus, and vision slowly eroding over time. The good news is that you don't have to accept this decline as inevitable. Science now points to four particular healthy fats that can awaken this repair switch, giving your brain and eyes the support they need while you rest. These aren't trendy supplements or expensive formulas. They are natural, widely studied fats that have profound effects on neural insulation, mitochondrial energy production, and eye tissue regeneration. By incorporating them into your evening routine, you can dramatically enhance the body's ability to repair and rejuvenate itself overnight. Imagine waking up with sharper mental clarity, faster recall, and eyes that feel refreshed, not strained. Picture the confidence of knowing you're actively protecting your mind and vision as you age, rather than passively watching them fade. These fats empower you to take control, shifting your identity from someone at risk of decline to someone who actively preserves strength, focus, and sensory vitality. Researchers have documented how omega-rich fats and certain monounsaturated and polyunsaturated oils directly support the regeneration of neural pathways and the cells that keep your eyes functioning at peak performance. And while all four fats are powerful, the first one is the most overlooked, quietly fueling the brain and vision repair processes that most seniors miss entirely. By understanding and using these fats, you're not just adding nutrients to your diet, you're flipping a switch that turns your body into a nightly repair factory, giving you hope, clarity, and control over how you age. Fat number 4 is olive oil, a simple kitchen staple that holds remarkable power for your brain and eyes. Its polyphenol-rich fats are not just flavorful, they are potent protectors that quietly work through the night to reduce inflammation, safeguard neurons, and enhance blood flow to your eyes. For many seniors, mornings can start with blurry vision, dry eyes, or a foggy mind. And these subtle frustrations are often dismissed as unavoidable signs of aging. Yet studies from Mediterranean populations consistently show that seniors who regularly include olive oil in their diet experience sharper memory, healthier neurons, and better ocular health well into their later years. The magic lies in its polyphenols, which act as antioxidants, neutralizing the oxidative stress that slowly damages brain cells and the delicate tissues of the eye. This stress is one of the main culprits behind cognitive decline and visual discomfort. But with the right fats in place, it can be mitigated. In practical terms, adding just 1 tablespoon of high-quality olive oil to your evening meal can make a measurable difference. While you sleep, your body initiates repair processes that restore and lubricate eye tissue, and olive oil's unique composition directly supports this restoration. It keeps the microscopic structures in your eyes supple, helps maintain proper circulation, and reduces the subtle swelling or stiffness that often leaves seniors waking with gritty or tired eyes. At the same time, those polyphenols are quietly fortifying neurons, ensuring that your brain's communication pathways remain flexible and resilient. Unlike many supplements or complicated routines, this is a simple, natural intervention that works in harmony with your body's own repair systems. Imagine a nightly routine where, instead of letting inflammation and oxidative stress chip away at your clarity and vision, you actively support repair and rejuvenation. Olive oil does exactly that, turning a small, familiar habit into a powerful tool for lasting brain and eye health. It's not just about preventing decline, it's about cultivating resilience, keeping your mind sharp, your memories accessible, and your eyes comfortable and vibrant. You're reclaiming a sense of control, showing yourself that aging doesn't have to mean deterioration. Each meal becomes an opportunity to reinforce your body's repair mechanisms, quietly but effectively. And yet, olive oil is just the beginning. While it works on the surface and in the blood vessels that nourish your eyes, the next fats reach deeper, supporting structures within the brain itself, enhancing neuronal insulation and energy production where the real nighttime repair happens. By layering these fats strategically, you're not simply eating for nutrition. You're orchestrating a nightly restoration plan, one that can transform how your brain and eyes feel and function with each passing day. With olive oil as the foundation, you've activated a crucial step in this process, and the next fats will take you even further, reaching into the depths of neural repair that most seniors never tap into. Fat number 3 is DHA, the structural fat your brain relies on to maintain its integrity and function. Your brain is nearly 60% fat, and DHA is one of the most critical components, forming the very membranes of neurons and enabling them to communicate efficiently. Without enough of this essential fat, neural pathways degrade over time, leading to forgetfulness, slower thinking, and even vision decline. Seniors often notice subtle changes first. A misplaced word here, a delayed recall there, mornings when reading feels more strenuous than it used to. These are early signals that the brain's structural foundation is undernourished. But the good news is that DHA can rebuild this foundation, helping neurons repair themselves overnight when the body's natural restoration processes are most active. During sleep, DHA integrates into cell membranes, strengthens synaptic connections, and repairs the delicate cells of the retina, providing both cognitive and visual support. This fat is especially powerful because it does more than just preserve, it restores. Imagine your memory circuits as a network of highways. Over time, potholes develop, slowing the flow of information and leaving parts of the system underperforming. DHA fills these gaps, smoothing communication between neurons and allowing signals to travel quickly and efficiently. This is why seniors who consistently include DHA-rich foods or supplements often report clearer thinking, faster recall, and a renewed sense of mental energy. Your brain doesn't have to accept decline as inevitable. It can rebuild, strengthen, and maintain itself with the right nutrition. Even small, consistent nightly habits, like adding DHA through algae or fish oil, can have profound effects over weeks and months, giving your mind the chance to recover what was slowly slipping away. The benefits extend to your eyes as well. DHA is a primary component of retinal cells, and its presence supports the repair of visual tissues during the overnight window when regeneration is most efficient. Without it, seniors can experience dimming vision, sensitivity to light, or difficulty focusing on close-up tasks. By prioritizing DHA at dinner or as part of an evening routine, you give your eyes the materials they need to recover and maintain clarity. It's a tangible way to protect your independence, reduce strain, and preserve the simple joys of seeing the world in detail. What makes this fat particularly empowering is how simple it is to act. You don't need complicated regimens or expensive interventions. A consistent, nightly approach allows DHA to integrate naturally into your brain and retinal cells while you sleep, supporting both memory and vision in tandem. Over time, these small steps accumulate into meaningful improvements, helping you feel more confident in your thinking, more alert in conversation, and more assured in your ability to enjoy daily life. By understanding and using DHA wisely, you can reclaim control over cognitive decline, rebuild memory pathways, and support your eye's natural repair process, proving that aging doesn't have to mean deterioration, but can instead be a period of restoration and empowerment. Fat number 2 is the anti-inflammation shield, found in sources like avocado and MCT oil, and it plays a quiet but essential role in your brain and eye health overnight. Many seniors wake up feeling tired, mentally dull, or struggling to read fine print, believing it's just a normal part of aging. The truth is, these symptoms often signal a deficiency in the very fats that calm inflammation, regulate stress hormones, and fuel your brain while you sleep. Cortisol, the stress hormone, naturally rises in the evening for some people, and if unchecked, it can interfere with neural repair, impair memory consolidation, and even disrupt the delicate tissues of the eyes. By including this anti-inflammatory fat in your evening routine, you provide the tools your body needs to counteract stress, protect optic nerves, and maintain consistent energy flow throughout the night. MCT oil is particularly remarkable because it fuels mitochondria quickly, giving your neurons and retinal cells immediate access to energy when repair is most active. Unlike other sources of fat that are slowly digested, MCTs bypass conventional metabolism and enter cells rapidly, ensuring that your brain has the steady energy required for overnight restoration. Avocados, on the other hand, are rich in carotenoids and healthy monounsaturated fats, supporting both the absorption of protective nutrients and the reduction of oxidative stress in ocular tissue. Together, these fats create a protective environment that prevents brain fog, supports mental clarity, and keeps your vision sharp, even after years of subtle decline. This combination is not just about short-term energy. It actively preserves the structural integrity of neurons and eye cells, allowing your body to carry out its natural nightly repair processes more effectively. The effect of these fats is cumulative, building resilience night after night. Seniors who begin to include avocado or MCT oil consistently in their evening meal often notice a significant difference. They wake feeling more alert, their thinking is faster, and reading or focusing on details feels easier. It's empowering to realize that these changes are not random or purely genetic. You can actively support your own neurological and visual health with simple, deliberate actions. This knowledge transforms the way you view aging, shifting your identity from someone passively experiencing decline to someone who actively strengthens and protects their brain and eyes. While this fat provides a strong protective layer, the true overnight nerve healer lies in the next, final fat. Fat number 2 sets the stage by reducing inflammation, regulating stress hormones, and fueling mitochondria for repair. But the first fat reaches even deeper into neural pathways, directly supporting the brain's core repair systems and ensuring that neurons and retinal cells are rebuilt efficiently while you sleep. By layering these fats strategically, you are not simply nourishing your body, you are orchestrating a nightly restoration plan, giving yourself the chance to wake up clearer, sharper, and more resilient night after night. Fat number 1 is the overnight nerve healer, a combination of omega-3 and choline-rich foods like egg yolks or pasture butter, and it plays a role most seniors completely overlook. Many avoid these foods, thinking they are unhealthy, unaware that they are among the most essential for repairing the brain and eyes while you sleep. Choline is critical because it rebuilds the myelin sheath, the protective coating around nerves that ensures signals travel quickly and accurately. Without enough choline, memory formation slows, focus weakens, and the delicate communication between your eyes and brain becomes less efficient. This is why seniors often notice mornings that feel foggy, details that are harder to process, or vision that seems duller than the night before. Including just one serving of choline-rich fat in your evening meal provides your body with the raw materials needed for nerve regeneration during sleep. While you rest, choline and omega-3 integrate into nerve membranes, repair myelin, and strengthen synaptic connections. This is the time when your brain performs its deepest restoration, and having the right nutrients on board allows it to function at full capacity. By supporting the brain-eye connection, this fat helps maintain the pathways that allow visual information to be processed clearly and efficiently, which is why seniors often report improved clarity and sharper memory after consistently including these fats. Over time, this simple habit creates a cumulative effect, restoring neurological health that many believe is irreversibly declining. The science is compelling. Research shows that omega-3 and choline work synergistically to protect neurons from oxidative stress, maintain structural integrity, and enhance neurotransmission. These fats are not just about memory. They are about empowering the entire network that connects sight, thought, and reflexes. Seniors who add choline-rich foods at night often notice subtle but powerful changes. Misremembered names return to mind quickly, mornings feel brighter, and visual focus is smoother. What seems like a small dietary choice is, in fact, a nightly intervention that actively rewires your brain's repair mechanisms. You are no longer passively accepting the decline that comes with age. You are taking control, giving your nervous system the tools it needs to recover and thrive. Perhaps most surprising is how accessible this repair can be. A single evening serving of an egg yolk or a small portion of pasture butter provides enough choline to feed multiple hours of nerve restoration. Unlike complicated regimens or expensive supplements, this habit fits easily into your lifestyle and leverages your body's natural repair rhythms. By embracing this fat, you bridge the connection between your eyes and brain, ensuring that signals travel clearly, memories are formed efficiently, and neural pathways are strengthened consistently. It's a transformative step that shifts your identity from someone at the mercy of aging to someone actively defending and repairing their cognitive and visual health. Fat number one isn't just nourishment. It's a nightly investment in clarity, memory, and independence, allowing you to wake each day sharper, more alert, and empowered to maintain control over how you age. To fully support your brain and eyes overnight, it's important to incorporate all four fats into a simple nightly routine. Start with fat number one, the omega-3 and choline combination from egg yolks or pasture butter, which repairs nerve sheaths and strengthens communication between your brain and eyes. Next, add fat number two, the anti-inflammatory shield found in avocado or MCT oil, to calm optic nerves, regulate stress hormones, and provide steady energy while you sleep. Fat number three, DHA from algae or fish oil, rebuilds neuron membranes, enhances synapse connections, and repairs retinal cells during the most active window of overnight restoration. Finally, include fat number four, olive oil, whose polyphenols reduce inflammation, improve ocular blood flow, and protect neurons from oxidative stress. Together, these fats create a comprehensive repair system that works while your body rests. To make this actionable, consider timing and portions. One serving of egg yolk or a small pat of pasture, butter at dinner primes nerve repair. A tablespoon of avocado or MCT oil alongside your evening meal fuels mitochondria and reduces nighttime inflammation. A DHA supplement or a small portion of fatty fish provides the structural fat your neurons and eyes need to rebuild overnight. A final tablespoon of olive oil not only protects cells, but also lubricates and nourishes eye tissue. Keeping a simple checklist by your kitchen or dinner table ensures you don't miss a step, helping turn this routine into a consistent nightly habit. Even adding one fat tonight is a meaningful start. You don't need perfection to begin the repair process. The impact of this routine is cumulative and transformative. Each night, you provide your body with the right fats. You activate repair mechanisms that seniors often let go unused. Imagine waking up with sharper vision, clearer thinking, and more energy to enjoy daily life. As these habits become routine, you'll notice subtle improvements in memory, focus, and visual clarity that build into lasting resilience. You're not just reacting to aging, you're actively shaping how your brain and eyes function for years to come. Take control tonight by choosing one fat to incorporate into your meal. Each step you take toward this routine reinforces a sense of empowerment, signaling to your body that you value your cognitive and visual health. Over time, this nightly practice becomes a bridge to mental clarity, sharper eyesight, and a renewed sense of confidence. You're creating a future where aging is defined by restoration and strength, not decline. And every night is an opportunity to invest in your brain and eyes, one nourishing fat at a time.